Hi students, I welcome you all in lecture number 20 where we'll see WooCommerce customization. So what we will learn today, we will see WooCommerce customization and we will first see the checkout fields and we will customize the whole checkout field according to us. Whole checkout page we can just change each and every field. Suppose if we want to hide something and we want to display something, we want to change something on the checkout page, then we can do that. And then we'll see that how to create a new cart page or any new checkout page. Suppose because when we um, use WooCommerce and it gives you cart page and checkout page by default, so and we don't like that specific design. Okay, so if we want to change that cart page look or checkout page look, WooCommerce doesn't allow. It seems so it doesn't allow, but we can change it. Okay, so I'll tell you in this specific video that how to just change those default pages given by WooCommerce. Okay, then we'll see that how to take backups of a whole site, of a single page or a single post or images, media, or a whole website. How we can just take the backups and what are the different methods to take backup, and we'll study about different plugins which are recommended and which are best in taking WP backup. And then we'll see that how to make secure our website by using some specific plugins and what is the benefit of securing our website. You know, security is very much important these days to prevent the hacking attempts. Or suppose if we are having e-commerce website and this e-commerce website has different customer data, their addresses, their card information, our card information, our bank details as a shopkeeper or a shop owner, and different any kind of thing we want to make it secure. So we'll just hide different things, then we'll limit different things. So we'll see that in this specific lecture that how to do that. Okay, and we'll also see that how to like apply language and currency switcher. Okay, how to you can just apply different language selector, place different language selector on your website, so any customer can come and convert the whole website into the specific language and different. Suppose if I speak English and I also want the people of Sweden to see the website in the whole Swedish language, so I can just place language selector, and I can also place the currency switcher. So when the customer will be in the WooCommerce page, so it automatically gets into the, if dollar gets into the Swedish kron. Okay, then we'll see the SSL, which also used in making things like making the website secure. Okay, the task is to just the practice the whole scenario which I will learn today onto your servers. um, Let me just quickly fix it. Okay, sure. Okay, the first of all we have checkouts field editor. Okay, so let us see first the checkout page, that how it looks. Okay, so we are in our shop page. Cool. So I'll add this to the cart, because in this video we'll also be changing the cart page. And let me just switch back to the normal theme, because that would be easier to understand that what is the change, because sometimes free themes doesn't allow you to customize the big things like card or checkout or any other WooCommerce related thing. So the card is coming like this. Okay, first of all I'll just switch back to Ocean WP. That is like similar, simple, and you can say easy to modify. And in Ocean WP you can just do anything, so it doesn't mean that we are switching to some basic basic theme. Okay, so it asks me to um, activate this Ocean Extra plugin because this is necessary while using the Ocean WP. I'll just activate it if because I have already installed it. If it wasn't installed onto my server, so it would ask me to install that first. So I'll just skip this setup wizard because this is the demo. I have only we have been through this Ocean WP, that's why we don't need to follow the demo. Okay, so now when I'll refresh this page, okay, so okay, it is showing sidebar because it is now again activated and I don't want this header as well. So I'll go to edit page. Just also like remembering you the old settings of the Ocean WP, so that's why you can also like learn it again. Okay, so here I will make that full width and hide title, and I'll update it. So this is be gone by full width and this be gone by title. So this is updated. Let me refresh it. Okay, so now card page just look like simple and very boring. Okay, so we'll also change this. First, we'll just proceed to checkout. Okay, so checkout just look like this. It is into 3 steps. Okay, so I'll just make this also full width. Okay, I made this full width and I'll hide title. Okay, view page. I'll just hide the screen options. Okay, I only want site its health and WooCommerce status. Okay. Okay, first of all, let me also tell you that how we can make it into different steps. We have to clear this step first and then next step, and then because suppose if I'll open any simple like this one, so it has different checkout page. Let me just show you. This is this is not default. This is what I have changed also, but we can change it a lot as well other than this. But let me just show you here the default checkout page. Okay, I've added this to cart and now I'll view cart and I'll proceed to checkout directly. Okay, so this was the default checkout. So you see this is different. So let me tell you how to create one like this. So I'll go to customize. Okay, so customize page is open. So let us quickly move to WooCommerce and here we'll see the checkout. Okay, uh, sure. Here to checkout, and then what I'll do is this multi-step checkout. If I'll just uncheck it, it will be back to the default doc. It is now in multi-step 1, 2, 3. Okay, now I'll publish it. Okay, so when I'll just refresh this page, it will be back to default look. Okay, so now you can see that it is back to the default look. So this is how you can just make it multi-step, and it is quite simpler here. And distraction free means you don't have to like in going to next steps, it will show you that this is 1, 2, and 3. So that will make you distraction free, so you know how where to go and how to go. Okay, so I'll just publish it. Okay, so it is published. Yes, yep. So I'll just refresh it back and let's see that whether it is on step checkout or not. Okay, now this is optional. Okay, and this is our country, street address, apartment, city. Okay, everything is done. Then we'll go to next, and it will bring us to the shipping address. And if we'll just hide it, because if we don't want to ship it on a different address, because we have given the address to the this page here, this is our address. Okay, so if we want shipping on a different address, this is for the shipping. And if it is done, then we'll go move to the next page, payment page, and it will just show you how what payment methods we have. Okay, so suppose let me bring it back, and I want to show you some fields which we don't want. Sometimes we want them by default set, or we don't, we just want to hide them. So how we can just change this thing? Because suppose if I'll just edit this page, I cannot edit this by WP Bakery, or I cannot edit this checkout page with the Elementor. It will not let me to do that. Okay, suppose I'll tell you here. This is for the Elementor editor, and this is for WP Bakery. This is getting loaded. Okay, suppose this is now back into the default look. Suppose we don't want this last name, we don't want this company name, optional. We want to fix this country, and we want to like hide this apartment and the state and the postcode, because every customer doesn't know all of these things, the postcode and the different things. So how we can just do that? How we can just hide this, ship to different addresses? This is not even like issue. We can just make them uncheck and it will be hidden. But if we want to completely hide it, how we can do that? How we can hide this order notes and different things. Okay, so first of all, let me just show you if you can edit this page, and if we can delete them by editing. So I'll tell you that we cannot edit the default WooCommerce page. This can be done by a plugin. Okay, so let me go back to the plugins, add new. I've also opened these two tabs by WP Bakery here and by Elementor here. Just want to show that if we can edit this page, if WooCommerce allows you before installing the plugin. Okay, so the plugin is checkout fields editor. It is searching for the plugin. Okay, so this is the checkout field editor. You can click on anyone, but I'm just clicking this because it has 4 lakh active installations and it is on the first number with the 5-star rating, 393. So I'm installing this one. Okay, so you can see this cannot be editable because this is here just coming by this short code. Okay, let me open this in Elementor, and this is in the WP Bakery. It's still loading. Till then, I'll activate this plugin. Okay, so this is the WP Bakery. So we we do not have like options. Okay, let me go back to the backend editor. Let us wait for it to be loaded because uh, these two pages, tool builders are simultaneously loading in the backend. Okay, here WP Bakery will be coming. So it is showing that it cannot be editable because it has just switched me back to the shortcode. So this is only a text block where it is the shortcode is written. So it is proved that I cannot just edit this because it is coming by shortcode and it is embedded in the shortcode. Okay. Okay. So see, I cannot edit this. It is coming by shortcode. So I'll just go to this plugin. Let me just update this pro. Okay, then we'll just keep on waiting for till the update completes because you have to see the things they should be updated. Okay, I'll just enable auto updates because it will automatically get updated. We don't have to go come to the plugins again and again. Okay, here. So pro version is updated and this plugin is currently updating. Okay, so now all of the plugins are updated. So I'll just go to the checkouts field editor. So currently this is our checkout page. Okay, here we can remove any field or disable any field or enable any field or add any field. Shipping fields are separate, additional fields are separate, billing fields are separate. Okay, so let me go back to the billing fields because I have by mistake clicked on the shipping fields. The task is to just show you how you can do different things, but you can adjust it according to you. You don't have to come into shipping or billing or additional, whatever you want. Okay, let me go back to the billing field. Here. So I want to disable this last name. Okay, save changes. I want to disable this company. I want to edit this country, region, and okay, it was getting saved. Disable. And when I'll come to here, so this will ask me enter your country. Suppose I want to change this label. I'm showing you the different options where we can just change this checkout page. Okay, your changes are not saved due to error or you made none. Okay, it is showing me that I've made none. Okay, just make it disable and go to edit, enter your country, save and close. Okay, why it is showing me that disable? Okay, first save these changes. Okay, see that these two should be disabled now. Okay, why it is showing me error? It could be due to plugins update. Okay, there is no issue. So why this is showing critical error on website? It could be due to plugins, but let me see what could be the issue. Let me just deactivate all of them. Okay, so this is good. Here you can see that how to like again manage the whole website. Okay, how to debug the whole website. So I don't want this because this is for electro. Checkout field editor. Okay, I want this. I don't want this. I don't want this. This, 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 this. Okay, So I'll activate them just to get the whole website back in shape. Okay, let me go back and see that if all of the plugins are activated or not, because this bring, okay, so this is just this is get activated and this brings me to its dashboard. Okay, sure. And I'll just skip the setup and see that if it is coming back to its shape or not. I think so it will be coming back because we have all the plugins. Yes. Okay, so we were in the checkout. Checkout fields editor here, and add this to cart, view cart. Okay, checkout. Go to the checkout directly. Okay, see, last name and country are sorry, company name are hidden. So suppose I also want to hide this apartment postcode. Yep. uh, Here, and address to disable. Save changes. Okay, so you see the apartment thing is also gone and the postcode is also gone. So what else we should do? um, Default value, it must have the default value. Okay, I'll then save changes. Okay, then suppose if I want to hide this, Okay, we have hidden everything we need. Okay, so the next thing would be how to change the cart page or checkout page look. Okay, so for that we have to go to plugins, add new, search WooCommerce blocks. Here, by automatic. Okay, just activate it. Okay, then we'll go to pages, all pages. Suppose I want to first change this checkout from this to any other design, the cooler design. And we also want to change this cart page. Simply edit this as well. Okay, let these two pages be open. Okay, so here we'll go to WordPress editor here. Okay, so this is coming by this shortcode. So we'll just simply remove this block, and when we'll click this plus button, okay, and browse all, it will give me by WooCommerce here. This is done by coming from WooCommerce blogs, and we will find checkout here. Okay, got it, got it. So this will be entirely different checkout page. It's quite good. Okay, so I will just view the page, and for example this card is also be changed. First of all, let me just show you the checkout page, the changed checkout page with the default with no default WooCommerce page. This is entirely our look, the new look. Okay, so it is getting loaded. Till then, remove this cart, remove block, and I'll just search for cart here. This purple is showing for the WooCommerce blocks. Got it. Okay, so this is our new cart page, and also view this page. Okay, see here we have good and like more flexible looking checkout page. Okay, 1, 2 shipping address, and 3rd billing address. Okay, add note to your order or not, coupon code, and here we have new cart page. We had the very boring design before, but now it is changed. Okay, so here you can also like change your cart page. Okay, so this is done by WooCommerce blocks. Okay, after that we have to take backups, and we'll do this by these two plugins. And there's another method. For example, I want to take backups. So first of all, we'll go to tools and export. Okay, this is showing us to export all content, all of the media pages, contact page, all of the plugins and everything. So we can just start the blog post. If you want to take only the backup of pages, we can do that. Only backup of forms, only backup of polls or quizzes or landing pages or products or variations. So I just want to take the backup of all, but we can just take the backup of every single thing as well. We'll just simply download the export file. Okay, so we can just name it innovative ingredients is by the website. uh, Backup. It is a simply smaller XML file, and you can just simply come back here and import this file in the new WordPress dashboard into tools, and this all will be back, and you just have to perform little settings. This is the WooCommerce live channel, RSS, Tumblr, WooCommerce importer. Yeah, import post pages custom. Here you have to install this WordPress, run importer, and simply you just have to upload this file into this importer into any new dashboard where you have nothing. Okay, choose file and choose this one. Okay, this is the one method, and the more good methods are due with the plugins where you have more control. All in one WP, all in one WP migration. Okay, simply activate it. Okay, it will be showing here. So first of all, go to export, and whatever backup you will take, it will come into backups, and the same things goes here. Okay, so you'll just export to file, FTP, Dropbox, to directly to your Dropbox, to your Google Drive, to your Amazon Drive, to your Blackblaze, OneDrive box. So you have the very big options in this plugin. So I don't have all these right now for sure, but I'll just take this to the file like this. It will just start preparing to export. It will just cover all of the images, all of the settings. You don't have to perform any of the changes when you will import it. It will totally import your website from one to another server. But in this, by tools, you have to make some changes to getting it back. Okay, so this will just complete, and this will just give you a file. Okay, so it is now 10% completed. So let us wait till it get to 100%. So this is now 63% completed. Okay, so this is done and we can just simply download this, and this file will be getting started downloaded here, and it will like take a lot of time because it is the complete settings, complete websites and everything. So I'll just pause this. So when this will be getting downloaded, I'll just simply come here and go to import, and because this is the file, these options will again come. Okay, okay, now here we'll just import this from file, the same thing, and we'll just click on the file which will be downloaded here or anywhere else or any folder you want, and just open it. And if you have any other URL or any other thing, you can just click the same thing, and maximum file upload size will be dependent upon the file you'll upload. Okay, uh, and what will be the next thing? So this is how you can just take your backup. So then we'll come to the security plugins. Okay, uh, many of the things which are important to hide, because you see, when we'll just be getting back to the admin panel, so it is very like easier. Suppose you'll just enter this and you'll get back to the admin panel. Suppose I'll just open any company website. Okay, suppose this is a very huge food panda food services provider company across the world, and it is made up on WooCommerce WordPress. Okay, yeah, here. So if I want to go to the backend of this company, simply what I'll do is I'll just go here. It will bring me to the login page here. Okay, simply I'll just log in with a Google or anything to that. This is how I know the login link. I can just make you tell that I can even hide this or change this URL. and this will be the specific URL you have to give to someone. So anyone could not just simply come and just write this link and get back to your dashboard. So you can just change the URL, you can hide your URL, make it specific. You can also apply some limits to attempt the login. If someone will try to hack like 2 to 3 times with the wrong password, his account will be banned. Okay, so for that, two things, we'll just go to the plugins and click on the add new. And we'll also see the SSL. SSL is very important. It is a certificate for secured licensing, secured payments, and this also gives you a log sign here, just to show that connection is secured. So we have to upload the SSL plugin as well for making it sure that it is secured by um, our hosting provider, and the payments and any other thing of the customer is safe on this. So we'll, for SSL, we'll write really simple SSL. Okay, it is already installed, so we'll just activate it, and we'll just go to the other URL, hide option, and limit login access. WPS hide. Okay, install it. Okay, so it is showing that we can change this chain login.php or change WP minus admin to any other link we want, and we'll also uh, change the limit login access. Okay, so WPS limit login. We'll activate both these. You'll also activate other plugins, SSL, and this limit login as well. Okay, so this is with the SSL. We'll just simply click on the activate SSL. This is showing that SSL certificate is given by the hosting provider where you are just by the server. So it is showing that this is detected because hosting provider enables us the SSL certificate. This plugin only makes us enable the SSL on the front end of the WordPress dashboard. Simply open these and save this. Okay, now uh, go back to plugins. Okay, first of all, hide login and limit login. This is for the hide login here. So login URL will be let's say my name. So it will not come under here anymore. Okay, so let me open this. Let me first log out. Okay, so see, it is coming under this name. Suppose if I'll go to wp-admin, the old one, what it will do? It will say that it is not found. So our website is secured now. So I'll just write this. Okay, and I just want to show you that how we can apply this limit login as well. Let me log in first. Until the login, it will be changed, but after the login, it will be the same, but it will restrict every user before logging in to this link. Okay, so I'll go to plugins here. Okay, it is allowed for the 3 times, and retry will be after 20 minutes and 12 hours until retries are reset. Okay, 3 retries after 20 minutes, and after those 3 retries, we have to wait for the 12 hours, and 2 lockouts increase lockout time to 24 hours. And if we like after 12 hours, if a person all tries to log in 3 times more and it fails, it will then after 2 days it will be enabled for the user to log in again. But if this happens, then this email will come that someone is trying to hack this. Okay, so just save it and logged out. Okay, so I'll just write other password, login. Okay, 2 attempts remaining, login. 1 attempt remaining, login. Okay, too many failed login attempts. Please try again in 20 minutes. So this was for today's lecture. I hope you really like this, like good tool and some customization in today's lecture. And if you have any queries, you can ask me in your lecture. Thank you for today's lecture. Bye for now.